Hello guys, it's time to leave for a couple of weeks guys. So I cannot bring my Celestia as of now because a lot of problem with the DSWD with their paper for clearance, minor travel clearance. Guys, it's hard to get their mom for we can bring it. She's already a ticket with us. Sayang yung ano niya, the tickets. We are 3 supposed to be traveled today. I'm so pity, Celestia. Next time, B. We're leaving mommy, ha? Ni daddy, ha? Balik, Rami. We're back. We're back, daddy. So, just enjoy your playing school, ha? Ha? Oh, just play. Just play your JJ. Play your cooking. So, your drawing. So, enjoy it. Because we will back, be, ha? Mommy will give you a gift. No, sayang. Your ticket. Just same price for the adult trip. Oh, okay. Gonna be okay, Lord. Hope we're gonna be blessed. Lord, bless us. Our trip today, Lord God. Bless us. My husband is still in the bathroom. So, yeah. Look at my girl. Oh, she made it. A cup again. She said there's a garden. This is a grass bin. She wants to play the Power Pop Girder. She have a paper doll. Oh, Pop Girl will play that. She made it. Huh? Power Pop Girl. So she's cooking now. She fried the hot dog. Wow. Fried the hot dog, Celestia. Okay. Unsa man to? Lagi kay na nakadungog man kog saba ko wala. Gid na seminar gid siya.
Sa mga association.
Maayo.
Dahay,
unsay may mga pahibablo nila diya sa mga kwansit. Kanang among nang e-bike. Unsa may mga kwan ana? Wala kay sila kwan ana ba?
Wala pa may reklamo.
Oo. Diba? Mo ba? Continuous? Wow. Okay, raining. Raining and don't forget to grabe. Mukha. Oo, kay gamay na lang ang portion. Love it. Wow. Nice na, oy. Ready na your phone, huh? Your ticket in your phone. Itinerary for your ticket. Yeah, they asking us the guard.
You have it in your phone too?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thanks. We're here now in Gate 3 for secure for Cebu, but secure is boarding, not our one. Cebu. Okay. Thank you. We're okay. We have a problem lately with our ticket. Confirmation we don't receive. Walter doesn't receive the confirmation with the booking for third party. That's the problem. Because you don't trust me to buy here. That's okay. She wants to early. I told her that every day the secure Cebu Ocean Jet from Cebu. That's the way she is. She wants to be sure that she's already having a ticket. She don't like on day and buy a ticket. Okay, we're again in the Ocean Jet. Ocean Jet again. Going Cebu. Tagbilaran to Cebu, this one. Trip to going to Thailand, Bangkok. Connecting is Cebu. Okay guys. Travel muna. Kailangan lumabas dito sa ating bansa. We need to live here for entry guys, so that we will not be overstay. Okay. You're copying on, you need to have your mask. Okay. Solomon. Expansion for the boulevard. The Mageti. Make expansion. Better the one is clear, not so bad guy, or very things very clear waters, ocean.
Outside upstairs lang the door then they have the
immediately for assistance. Once again, this bus is bound for ambulance. Thank you.
So, okay, will be closed.
services of your destination. Once again, thank you for your continuous
Our
patronage.
vessel already arrived. We're here now. This is Bohol. They open ready. It's raining. They opened the door already, huh? And there are a lot of passengers going to Cebu also. Oh, they fall in line there. They taken a baggage. Yeah. Lot of passengers also for Cebu, from Tagbilaran to Cebu.